Om Shanti. Today, 8th of January 2022. Let us listen today's God's letter. Murli. In today's Murli, Shiv Baba has emphasized on opening of this spiritual hospital and a university through which everyone can receive health and wealth for 21 births. Baba says the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, comes and opens a spiritual hospital and university. Baba says he has come to give you the kingdom of paradise. You will receive palaces studded with diamonds and jewels. Baba says these illnesses have continued from the time the kingdom of Ravan began. Baba says it is my task to give injections of knowledge and yoga so that souls and their bodies become healthy and wealthy for half of the cycle. Baba says you have to become worthy of heaven by following Srimad. Baba says you Brahmins are the mouth-born creation of Brahma. You are now on the spiritual pilgrimage. You have to stay pure. Those Brahmin priests are impure themselves, and so they cannot purify others. You have to stay pure. Only pure Brahmins stay in the sacrificial fire of the knowledge of Rudra. Those Brahmins live in the temples, and because they are called Brahmins, they can touch the idols of the deities, and they can also bath them, but they are in fact impure. Baba says all other people who go to the temples are not allowed to touch the idols because they are not Brahmins. Baba says the Father comes and explains true Brahmins are those who uplift 21 generations. Baba says you are now sitting in this old world. Here there is nothing but sorrow. There is no name or trace of happiness here. There is a happiness in the land of happiness. I have come to take you to the land of happiness. Baba says you simply have to remember the Father. By having this remembrance, you will become free from disease. The lifespan of your bodies will be long like the kalp tree. Baba says the meeting of human souls with God, the Supreme Soul, is now taking place. Baba says remember the land of peace and the land of happiness and continue to forget this land of sorrow. Consider yourself to be bodiless souls. We are now going back home. Baba has come to take us back. Baba says, remember me and your sins will be absolved. Otherwise, there will be a lot of punishment and your status will be destroyed. Baba says, Saraswati is called the goddess of knowledge. Brahma too must have knowledge. Baba is asking us, who gave him knowledge? The ocean of knowledge. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you make your attitude, vision, words and actions royal with spirituality and become equal to the Father Brahma. I repeat, may you make your attitude, vision, words and actions royal with spirituality and become equal to Father Brahma. Baba says, follow Father Brahma in the royalty you saw in his words, activity, face and behavior. Father Brahma never let his intellect spend time on trivial matters. He never spoke ordinary words. Every word was yukti-yukt. There was never any grossness, but they were full of avyakt feelings and good wishes. His attitude towards all souls was always full of good wishes and pure feelings. He constantly saw everyone as an angel. He constantly gave everyone happiness with his actions and he received happiness. Follow him in the same way and you will be said to be equal to Father Brahma. The slogan of today's Murli is that the sign of elevated fortune is to swing in the swings of love instead of working hard. Om Shanti.